This is your afternoon brief on the newsroom for July 25th. I'm Neil Marks. We're glad you could join us. 11 homes for children have been adopted in Phase 4 of First Lady Arya Ali's Adopt an Orphanage initiative. Over the next 12 months, these homes will receive sponsorship from private companies to primarily cover their utilities and other monthly expenses. Since its inception in 2021, the initiative has seen almost $100 million invested in the development of these and other homes and the children who live in them. A search party has been activated to locate a resident of Moraikobai village in Region 5 who went missing after two boats collided in the village Friday morning. The missing man has been identified as Charles Osborne. There was an accident. It occurred probably about 9:30 this morning with two boats, and as a result, one person is missing. Derek John, chairman of the National Tushaus Council, and also Tushau of Moraikobai, told the newsroom. John said Osborne was driving a 15-horsepower outboard Yamaha engine boat when a collision occurred with a 250-horsepower engine boat, which was transporting people into the village. The village is scheduled to celebrate its 100th anniversary on Saturday. Teachers will now be held to a higher level of accountability as the Ministry of Education pushes for improved performance in the nursery education system across Guyana. This was revealed by Minister of Education Priya Manikchan during the recent commissioning of the Crane Nursery School on the west coast of Demerara. Minister Manikchan highlighted that over the next 5 years, the government will focus on ensuring every child is equipped with foundational skills from the nursery level. The minister made it clear that children leaving a nursery class without essential skills, such as sounding out letters, identifying long and short vowel sounds, and beginning to read by nursery year 2 is unacceptable unless the child has a disability. If a disability is identified, then that too will be properly addressed, the minister said. A total of 141 persons, including ranks attached to the Guyana Police Force, who underwent skills training program conducted through a collaboration between the Guyana Police Force and the Board of Industrial Training, graduated on Friday. The 120 men and 21 women are now equipped to undertake various skills-related projects, including operating heavy-duty equipment and installing fiber optic cables. 40 persons completed the fiber optic installation program, which is a highly accredited certification. Through collaboration with the Guyana Industrial Training Center, 84 persons were trained in heavy-duty equipment operations, and through the regular training program of the Guyana Police Force, 41 ranks were trained. Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony has said that 12,000 women benefited from the Ministry of Health's cervical cancer screening program last year. Dr. Anthony made the disclosure during the launch of the human papillomavirus 9 vaccine, a medication used to prevent the cancer. Emphasizing the need for screening, the minister said this is the second most common cancer affecting women in Guyana. The ministry aims to have at least 40% of the female population screened for cervical cancer. He said the ministry is providing follow-up and treatment for persons who test positive. The vaccine to prevent HPV infection is also available, and the ministry intends to reach a 90% uptake, up from the current 71%. Additionally, the minister said several mammogram machines have been installed at hospitals across the country. This greatly improves access to breast cancer screening, making it possible for early treatment where needed. You can get the latest breaking news and sport at newsroom.gy, and of course, you can follow our social media pages. I'm Neil Marks. Take care.